Pot of Gold is the 64 count 4-wall dance. We're going to start with 2 sailors, leading with the right sailor first, ready, and right sailor, then a left sailor. Touch the right behind the left, unwind onto the right and do a side rock. Okay, so just recap that. Touch the right behind the left, unwind a full turn onto that right and rock out to the side, left, rock. Okay, so if we add that together, starting with your right sailor, ready, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Now we're going to mirror that. So this time we start with a left sailor, then a right sailor, ready, and left sailor, right sailor, touch the left behind, unwind onto it, and rock out to the right, side, rock. Okay, so we just mirrored the whole of the first section. Let's put those 2 together. Leading with the right sailor, ready, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, left, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, right, rock. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. You now have the weight in the left. You're going to do a chasse cross rock to the right, side, close, side, cross, rock, and then mirror that to the left, side, close, side, cross, rock. Let's add it on from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. From here, going to make a chasse quarter turn to 3, side, close, quarter. Step forward on the left, half pivot onto the right, and then keep turning 2 half turns. So you're being pulled around by your right shoulder, stepping back on the left, stepping forward on the right, finish with a forward shuffle. Forward shuffle. Okay, so we'll recap. There's chasse quarter, side close quarter, step, half pivot, half, forward shuffle. If you don't want to make those 2 half turns, you can just do 2 walks. So chasse quarter, step, half pivot, walk, forward shuffle. Okay, let's take it from side close, side cross rock. So out to the right, ready, and side close, side cross rock. Side close, side cross rock. Chasse quarter, step, half pivot, half, forward shuffle. Okay, let's go from the top. Right sailor, ready, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Chasse quarter, step, half pivot, half, forward shuffle. From here, you're going to do a forward mambo and a back mambo. So you're leading with the right, forward mambo, back with the left, back mambo. Step forward on the right, half pivot, and 2 stomps forward, right, left. Okay, so to recap, forward mambo, you're facing 9 o'clock, forward mambo leading with the right, then a back mambo, ready, and forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, right, left. And then you do that section again, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, right, left. Okay? Let's take it from the section before. We've done our chasse quarter, step, half pivot. So you're travelling out to the right, chasse quarter, ready, and chasse quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward shuffle now, mambos. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Let's take it from the top. Right sailor, 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. From here, you're going to do a weave and a heel jack. So stepping cross, side, behind, side, heel. So I'll just show you facing the front. You're stepping cross, side, behind, side, heel. I'll do it for you facing this way. Cross, side, behind, side, heel. Okay? So we're facing 9 o'clock, stepping right over left, cross, side, behind, side, heel. We now want to do it back the other way. And at the moment we can't because all the weight's in the left, we want to take it across. So we bring the right to the left on and we do cross, side, behind, side, heel. Okay? So taking it from the front, you start with the right, cross, side, behind, side, heel, and cross, side, behind, side, heel. Okay? So if you haven't done that before, take a little bit of practice. I'll do it again with you. Taking right over left, ready, and cross, side, behind, side, heel, and cross, side, behind, side, heel. Okay, so you're going to take it from the mambos. Facing 9 o'clock, forward mambo with the right, ready, and forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp, cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel. Let's take it from the top. Sailors, ready, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, stomp. Cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel. So let's do it again from the top. Right sailor, 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Side, close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, stomp. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, stomp. Cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel. Now you're going to bring left to the right one, and we're going to do a half turning jazz with a touch. So we're going to step cross, back, half turn onto the right and touch the left. Okay, so I'm going to show you facing 12 o'clock. The weight's on the left, you step cross, back, half turn onto the right, touch the left. Okay, so if we go from the cross, side, behind and heel, crossing right over left, facing 9, ready, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch the left. Side, close, side to the left, side, close, side, a stomp up with the right. So it means you make the stomping noise, but you don't put any weight into that right leg. So stomp, and then kick the right towards the right diagonal. And that's the end. And then the right is free to start again with the right sailor. Okay? So you have the weight in the left. We're making the half turning jazz with a touch. Cross, back, half turn, touch, side close, side stomp, up, kick. Let's take it from the cross side behind and heel, facing 9 o'clock, right over left. Ready? And cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch, side close, side stomp, up, kick. Now let's take it from the top. Right sailor. Ready? And right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, stomp. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, stomp. Cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch, side close, side stomp, up, kick. Now let's dance wall 2, facing 3 o'clock. Starting with your right sailor. Ready? And right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap, cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch, side close, side, stomp up, kick. Now, you may have noticed that I just put claps in when we didn't put them in when we did our first wall. The claps come in on every wall apart from the first. So you don't clap when you do the first wall. After that, every time you do the forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, stomp, you put a clap in between, okay? So you step forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap. And at the end, when you do your stomp up, as you do the kick, you can do a double clap at the same time, okay? So we'll do wall 3 now, facing 6 o'clock, leading with your right sailor, 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, clap, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half pivot, stomp, clap, cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch, side close, side, stomp, kick. Now we'll do wall 4, facing 9 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, and right sailor, left sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Left sailor, right sailor, touch, unwind, side, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Side close, side, cross, rock. Chasse, quarter, step, half pivot, half, half, forward, shuffle. Forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap, forward mambo, back mambo, step, half, stomp, clap, cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, side, behind and heel, and cross, back, half turn, touch, side flow, side, stomp, kick. Let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.